Hello students, welcome to you in our SS class. Okay, this is the second video on the same topic, diversity and discrimination. Okay, in previous video we already discussed some terms like what is diversity, what is prejudice, what is stereotype and what is discrimination. And two types of discrimination already we discussed in previous video. Okay, so in this video we will continue now next chapter and we will start from the third type of discrimination. Okay, that is of discrimination based on religion. Dear students, you know India is a vast country and there are many people living and they all belong to different religions. Like some are Hindu, some are Sikhs, some are Muslims, some are Christian, some are following Buddhism, some are following Jainism, etc. Many other religions are also there. Okay, so they all have different ideas, beliefs, customs, duties. They have different festivals. Okay, and they all have equal right. Okay, they are not discriminated on the basis of religion. This is said by our constitution. Okay, our constitution declare our country a secular country. So now what is secular country? Secularism means the state has no religion. State means here country. Okay, the country has no religion. Okay, so all the religions are equal before the law. Clear? I hope you are understand now. If anybody practice this type of religion discrimination, this is considered an offensive crime. Okay. So now next one is second type is discrimination based on caste. Dear students, you know in ancient India the Indian society was divided in 4 different castes. But now in these days there are more than 100 castes and sub-castes in India. Okay, so people are belonging to the lower caste ill-treated by the upper classes. Okay, people of upper classes. They have assigned the duties like fetching water, carry the waste material of the cows, animals, etc. These type of disgraceful work here they have assigned. But now they have fear that this is going on wrong. Okay, in the constitution there is scheduled caste word is used for those people and for the lower caste people and they call themselves Dalit. Okay, now what happened then? For those people some reformers come forward. Okay, B.R. Ambedkar played a very important role for the struggle to provide the rights to the Dalit people. Okay, now B.R. Ambedkar, you know very well about that person. This is a great personality. Okay, and he was born in 1891 and he also belonged to a lower caste family like Kumhar. Okay, Kumhar means the people who carry water, fetch water for the upper class people. Okay, but he also has faced many problems due to his lower caste. But he faced those challenges and get education and become a lawyer. Okay, then he became the role model for the Dalit. They also participate in the struggle and effort to provide the equal rights, provide the prestige to the Dalit people. Okay, in our constitution then also our constitution also played an important role to remove the discriminations from the society. Okay, first of all we will see what is constitution. Okay, constitution is a set of rules and regulation which provide the guidelines to the government. Okay, according to those guidelines government work efficiently. Okay, Our constitution start from a preamble. Now you will see what is preamble now. Okay, preamble is an introductory part, introductory phase of the constitution, in which India is declared a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic. Okay, so first of all we will discuss in these terms what is sovereign. Sovereign means the country who has own right to make the laws, to govern on their own people. Okay, after independence, India got freedom. When India got freedom, India was declared a sovereign country. Okay, and the next term is secular. Already we had discussed. Now what is republic? Democratic republic, democracy, you know कि we have adopted the form of the government democratic. Okay, now what is republic? If anybody asks you कि which country is called republic, then how you will explain? The country whose head is an elected person, that country is known as republic. You know, our constitutional head of our country is the president, and president is an elected person. Clear है ना? Not he has get the post by hierarchically. Okay, he is elected for specific time period for 5 years. Clear? Understood? I hope you clear this topic. So these things we discuss, and our constitution also work to remove the untouchability. Okay, and make the laws and remove the untouchability to reduce the discrimination from the society, because our constitution makers know that this problem will arise in future, because India is a diverse, there is a diversity in India. Different types of people are living in India, so they try to